So recently we did a survey through Marketti to ask some of our customers about Veeam Universal Licensing. There were three main categories that we wanted our customers to evaluate. The first was ease of use. Here our customers gave an average score of 9.1 out of 10. The second was if they could see financial benefit to the licensing. Here our customers said 8.79 out of 10. And lastly, we asked them about the breadth of use and if they saw value in this functionality regarding the breadth of use. And our customers gave the Veeam Universal Licensing 9 out of 10. So from this survey, it seemed that our customers really appreciate the value that Veeam Universal Licensing brings. But sometimes actions speak louder than words. So what about their actions?